Hello everyone. I told you about our trip to Mexico City, a great experience. I'm located in Mexico City, all over the historic center. Our apartment was located in the center of Mexico City, with an exquisite view of the Central Avenue and where I could see the jacarandas that adorns everything in purple. It's a very touristic place, full of many activities that can be done in it. It's a very traditional, colorful, and tourist town. What elements are there in this place? To enjoy even more our visit to Mexico, we did most of our walking tour around the Palace of Fine Arts and the main temples, the famous Paseo de la Reforma, the Zocalo, Madero Street, where you could find some souvenirs for the family. And we also visit the forest of Chapultepec to visit the National Museum of Anthropology and neighborhood of Coyoacan and the Basilica of Santa Maria de Guadalupe. Masayoshi Ohira Park in Coyoacan. This is a beautiful place with the Japanese charm, a lot of little small, but it was a pleasant experience. What sensation that place transmits? It's made you fall deeply in love with Mexico. I've been so big, so you need months to visit its place and feel your culture and enjoy its traditional dishes. I made the trip with my husband, and the reason was our honeymoon and to go to one of the biggest metal music festival in Latin America, Hell and Heaven, which takes place in Toluca. Unfortunately, I was not able to visit the pyramids of Teotihuacan since the pandemic exploded, but I will be back soon and with plans to make my visit longer. That's it. Thanks for watching my video and have a nice day.